Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we are checking out the V4 facial interface for the MetaQuest 3S headset. This is made by Kiwi Design. It retails for $52 Canadian on their website, currently on sale for $42. You can also use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off of anything on their website. In this one I'm going to unbox it. I'll show you how to assemble it, talk about the specs, and give you my review. Let's jump into this one. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, so inside here we have our facial interface. We have the foam pad. There's actually already one attached to it here for me, which is nice. This one just seems to be like an extra one. And then at the very bottom here, we had the light blocker on the nose. So if this doesn't come attached, if it just comes separate like this, take it, try to fold it right in the middle. That was a very successful attempt. Okay, there we go. We got it right in the middle. Pin that down where you want it. And then I'm just going to spread it out after. There we go. It's actually got some good cushion to it. Then to put that onto your Quest 3S, here I've got their H4 Boost Halo strap on. I'm going to remove the facial interface that's on here, the stock one. To do that, really just pinch the four corners and you'll see it pop loose. There we go. And to install your new one, slide it in to place and then try to push somewhat evenly at first and then make sure each of the corners are popped in. You heard a few clicks there as I was doing that, and then you're good to go. Alright, so first thing I want to talk about is the ventilation. So I did use some more intense games with it, and I did find that it was more breathable than just the stock interface that I have here beside us. Definitely airflow coming into the top and the bottom. There aren't any on the sides. The sides are just straight material, and I think that mainly is for light filtration. You don't want any light leakage. I didn't notice any light leakage when I was playing, especially with this nose pad on the bottom here. This prevents light from coming in from below, which is really nice when you're playing on there. I do like that this is the leather material, really easy to clean, really easy to wipe down, especially if you're sharing it with other people. But I also really like that it is Velcro, right? That makes it very, very easy to clean, and it also makes it slightly adjustable, right? If you feel like the cushioning needs to be a little bit more out for your face, well, just redo the where you've placed it on the Velcro and put it a little bit more out compared to that side. That side's a little bit more in, right? You can adjust it a little bit depending on your face shape or size, which is really nice. The stock one obviously is just there. It's on it. That's all you can do to it. Another thing that I like about this one is that it is a bit larger. I don't know if you can really see it there, but it is a bit larger than the stock interface, and so it just doesn't affect your field of view at all when you're playing. It actually, I don't know if it really increases it, but some people are worried about that field of view being lessened with new interfaces. You don't have to worry about that with this one here. The padding itself is definitely soft for sure. It's softer than what comes on the stock interface, in my opinion. I found that with the stock interface, it put a little bit of pressure kind of on my cheekbones with right around in here, but with this one that pressure was eased quite a bit, and so I am impressed with that on this one here. So this retails for $52 Canadian on their website. It's on sale for $42 Canadian. That's obviously going to be a little bit less if you're American. You can also use my promo code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, for an extra 5% off of your purchase on their website as well. And that goes for any accessory on their website. I've reviewed a ton of Kiwi Design's accessories. I encourage you to check them all out, like the H4 Boost that I've got on the headset right there. The K4 Boost is also one of my go-tos. Check out the playlist, you can find all of those. If you have any questions about this facial interface, don't hesitate to put a comment below or send me a message. I will do my best to answer as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching this one. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.